Hi teachers, Jennifer Fox here with Music Educator Resources, here to share music teacher tip number 4. Now today I'm excited to share a tip that I do when I have instructions that will take quite too much of the lesson time. So what I do is I will share instructions on just simply using the camera on my iPad. And then students will watch the instructions, any directions I have to give them on the iPad of the assignment that I want them to do, whether it's an app or a composition project or anything. If it's going to take more than just a minute or two, then I will record it. And if it's an app, I can screen share it on my iPad, and it's super easy to screen share as long as your iPad is one that can screen share. Not all of them can. If you have an older iPad, you might not be able to, but you can check really easily, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to bring this down, and then this red blinking, it's usually not red blinking. I'm screen sharing right now, so that's why it's red blinking. But you're going to push on that. It's normally gray when you're not screen recording yet. And you'll see the options. Make sure you turn on your microphone if you're going to do any audio. So make sure that's on. And then you just start the recording. There'll be an option that says start recording, and then of course stop recording. So it's really easy to screen share. To mention one thing that I want to mention really quick. If screen share is not showing up and you don't see that red circle that I had mentioned, go to your settings and find the control center. So that's under settings. Click on control center, click on customize controls, and scroll down to see where the controls are, and then find screen recording and click on that so it is included in your control center. Well, there you have it. I love screen share. It's awesome. It's an awesome tool. And to record everything in the camera right in the iPad, they could just simply push play and receive their instructions. And it's a huge time saver, so you're not taking a lot of time out from your lesson. So if you have a music teacher tip or trick, I would love to feature it. Just fill out the form below. Happy teaching.